In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the system error 5 has occurred, access is denied error on your Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. So if you're using the command prompt, close the command prompt if you face the error and then type it again in the Windows search bar, type CMD. But this time you need to make sure you are running as an administrator. So how can you do that? Just simply click on run as administrator on the right pane, or you can right click on the command prompt under the best match and select run as administrator. Okay? And perform the commands again, and this time you are not going to face the system 5 error has occurred or the system 5 access is denied. If you're doing it through the PowerShell, so simply search PowerShell. Make sure also that you're going to close the PowerShell and then search it again, and make sure to run as administrator. By running it as an administrator for the command prompt and then for the PowerShell, you will find that you are running it as an administrator because there's an administrator word behind the PowerShell or command prompt, and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.